So it's becoming a tradition at this point. Every little detail about the upcoming 4 phones in the Google Pixel 9 series seems to have already leaked. We are just itching to get our hands on one ourselves. And with the launch date so close, it's not surprising that some lucky folks out there already have one in hand. Just the other day, someone was spotted casually using the Pixel 9 Pro Fold at a Starbucks in Taiwan. So the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is coming out soon at Google's hardware event. It's their second foldable phone and it looks like it will be slimmer than the first one based on the leaked info and official images. A sneak peek of the phone popped up in a private Facebook group reportedly taken at a Starbucks in Taiwan. We don't have much more info on the photo or the person behind it, but hey, at least we got a little sneak peek. The phone's unique camera bump and prominent G logo on the official case made it easier to spot in the wild. This photo gives us our first real-world glimpse of the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold in one of its cases. It looks like the phone is the black model, but the case is for the off-white model. The case seems to be thick enough to keep the device stable on a table. Without it, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might be little wobbly. There is not much new to learn from this photo, but it's still cool to see the phone out and about. The picture shows different angles of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, such as how it looks unfold from the back, the square-shaped camera bump and little taller cover display with a hole punch camera and the side buttons. There seems to be cutout at the top for the microphone and speaker as well. With all the leaks lately, we can pretty much imagine what the rest of the phone looks like without having to guess. We don't have to speculate on the phone specs like the cameras and displays, or wait to find out its features or price. Just couple more weeks and we will have our own unit to play with. So what do you think of this Pixel 9 Pro Fold? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.